Hello, my name's Charles Delastic. I'm the Managing Director of the Bluebond Group. We've been helping hundreds of clients over 20 years to solve their inheritance tax problems. So the problem is that most families lose 40% of their estate to inheritance tax, and the problem is getting worse. At Bluebond Tax Planning, nearly 19 out of 20 clients pay zero inheritance tax. In reality, it's probably closer to 95%, and we will explain in the webinar what the one situation is where the clients do pay tax. The vast majority of clients don't. So how can we achieve that, which is not possible by almost any other firm? So to solve their IHT problem, most people use different firms of lawyers, tax advisors, accountants, and financial planners. You need all of those areas of expertise to solve the problem. But this is the unique thing about Bluebond. We have all of that expertise in one company. So it's never about one limited solution from one firm with one expertise. It's always around a combination of strategies. So our estate planning lawyers often save hundreds of thousands of pounds. Our financial planners do the same. Our tax advisors do the same. And our specialists who deal with larger estates set up family investment companies and employee benefit trusts. Only a small handful of companies in the whole of the UK do that. But bringing all that expertise together in one place is, as far as we're aware, we are the only company in the UK that does this. So it's all about a joined up approach that gets the results. So what do you get when you register for the webinar? So we don't just throw you into a webinar. You need some basic information. So we send you a free ebook explaining how inheritance tax actually works. Then we send you a 1-hour video covering all the main solutions to inheritance tax. So before you even attend, you already understand the fundamentals, provided you've spent a couple of hours looking at the material we've sent you. So then, why should you attend the webinar? You know most of the fundamentals, right? But it's a question of bringing it all together. So we walk you through 4 real client case studies. So what was their situation? What would we do? How was the tax saved? How did it all come together? So what this does is bring all of your knowledge to life in real world situations and how it clicks. So you see the real numbers, the real strategies, and how real clients reduced their inheritance tax to zero. So for attendees of the webinar, we have an amazing offer. Now, normally our process is, and we still carry out this process for the discounted offer, we gather all your information, we send you a detailed report as to what you need to do around inheritance tax. We have unlimited one-to-one meetings with advisors. Now, most of the time, clients are spending about 8 to 10 hours of meetings, understanding all the recommendations across all the areas of legal, tax, financial, everything. And then one strategic plan is brought together to enable you to solve your problem. Okay, now normally most firms would charge you around £4,000 plus for that. We charge a standard £497. Why do we do that? Because since we started doing that and taking all the risk away from clients, effectively the company quadrupled in size. But there's an issue, right? And therefore, we have reduced the fee as a special offer for people who are attending to a significantly discounted rate. And we will tell you that in the webinar. So why act now is, why are we giving you this big discount? Because there's a timing issue. We believe that in next October's budget, there will be significant changes to the tax landscape of the UK and things we can do right now. So not just inheritance tax, income tax, capital gains tax, everything. And therefore, the plans and processes that we can put now to save 95% of clients where they pay zero tax may not be possible in 6 months' time. So we're trying to urge people to move forward by offering this huge discount on our even already low standard offering. So there's a limited window. You've got 6 months to solve the problem. If the problem is solved and your plans are in place, almost never do governments put in retrospective legislation. So you're going to be much safer if you've got it done. So you've got a 6-month window is what I'm saying. So you should act now. So attend the webinar, find out what's happening, work out what you need to do, and get this big discount on our standard fees. So if you really want to understand how to legally reduce or even eliminate your inheritance tax and also safeguard your family for the next 100 years, register for the webinar now. It literally could save hundreds of thousands and sometimes millions for your family. Thanks for listening. Bye for now.